If you just move into a new neighborhood or a new country and you started to experience hair loss, stay tuned and we will explain to you why. There were many cases reported whereby chemical in the public water do actually cause hair loss. This is something a lot of people are worried about, so let's break it down and find out what's really going on. Public water supplies often contain various chemicals, such as chlorine, fluoride, and sometimes heavy metals. These are added for disinfection and water quality control. But could these same chemicals be harming your hair? Here are some of the main culprits found in public water. 1. Chlorine. Used to kill bacteria, but it can strip your hair of its natural oils, leading to dryness and breakage. 2. Hard water minerals. Calcium and magnesium can build up on your scalp, clogging follicles and potentially contributing to hair thinning. 3. Heavy metals. Like lead or copper, these may damage hair proteins and irritate the scalp. 4. Fluoride. While essential for dental health, some believe it may negatively affect hair health in sensitive individuals. So, does this mean the water coming out of your tap is making you lose your hair? Not directly. Hair loss is usually caused by genetics, stress, hormonal imbalances, or medical conditions. But chemicals in water can weaken your hair over time, making it more prone to breakage and thinning, especially if your hair is already fragile. Thankfully, there are ways to protect your hair from potential damage. You can install a shower filter. These can remove chlorine and heavy metals, leaving your water gentler on your hair and scalp. You also can try to use chelating shampoos. This shampoo is designed to remove mineral buildup caused by hard water. You also can perform deep condition regularly, which can help to restore moisture stripped away by harsh water. Finally, you can test your water. You can use a home water testing kit to check for heavy metals and minerals. While the chemicals in public water aren't usually the main cause of hair loss, they can definitely contribute to dull, weak, or brittle hair. By taking simple steps to address your water quality, you can keep your hair looking and feeling its best. So, what do you think? Have you noticed any changes in your hair that you suspect might be due to water quality? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks on keeping your hair and skin healthy. Until next time, stay hydrated and stay fabulous.